Well, good morning, traders. This is Roger from Aitg, coming to you with the daily updates of our trading setups. It is morning here in Central Time, United States. I have a fresh cup of coffee, and I'm ready to go. It is May 16th, 2018. All right, the first update I want to share is going to be a quick one. It's the old faithful daily heat map using the equity lock. You can see that we got out with 60 pips. Another quick night with the daily heat map. So this keeps on just clicking away, pretty safe. So let me get set up for the next one. Before I do, I just wanted to point out and reiterate that I have in the past, the low number of trades taken to achieve these results. That being said, what we talk about and what we know about money management, you have, with 9 trades open, you have plenty of margin to up your lot size here. Trade a little bit higher lot size and reap a little more reward. So something to think about. But don't get crazy and double your lot size. I would just inch it up a little bit at a time, maybe 10 cents a pip. Try it out and see what the margin levels are like, well, for that day. And in fact, maybe we'll do that tonight. My setup, I'll just start inching up 10 cents at a time and see where we are with that comfortability level. All right. Okay, the next setup here we're gonna show is the 20 pip Brinko breakout using the equity lock 70-50. And again, this is one that's been in a rescue mode. Margin level still above my comfort zone, so I am looking to take additional trades, hopefully positive ones. And I have a couple hedges here that we want to look at real quick here. Here's the Aussie yen with a hedge buy on it. And I'm sorry, this was a hedge sell. That was the first trade, but we can see it's going into the buy zone here. Now, something to do is, again, I mentioned this yesterday's update. It's a little bit more challenging with Rinkos to watch these, because you can get a surge in the market, surge in volatility on the Aussie yen by a news event or whatever, and this could just go up in a matter of seconds or a matter of minutes. Unlike a time chart, you got your new candles, but so you really would have to be watching this or keep a close eye on it. But the point I'm trying to make here is to see a turnaround point in this current uptrend. And when you see it starting to turn, then close out this buy while it's in profit and capture that. If you could always put on another hedge if it continues to go up. But if it looks like it's going to turn around and go back to your original position, take that profit out while you can, and then ride it back down south. So that's one of the hedges. CAD yen is another one. Looks pretty much the same. Let's see, those are all yens. The other one was right here. US CAD. And it looks the same. We got a lot of some ranging going on, some consolidation, a little bit of a breakout, then a reversal. So again, you just got to keep an eye on it. Right now, this is kind of in the middle. It's in no man's land. Just sit and wait. I think this is day 3 now since we've gone to this rescue mode. What's going to do it for us is patience, and like I said, using some wisdom and some tools in your toolbox. Okay, got some good news to report here on the other setups that we were rescuing back to health, and I'll show them here in a second. All right, here you go. 1 hour Haas breakout, one and done. 4 hour heat map as a filter. It has come back. Now you can see here on the graph ran off the page. I forgot to set the graph last night, but you can see here it closed its basket finally after being drawn down 496 pips, or $496. I got to calculate that, figure out what the pips were, but closed the basket for $53 or 35 pips. So we are out of the black and into the green, or into the red here. Or, let me say it in a better way. We are out of the red and into the green. So that rescue process worked, as y'all can see. A little bit of patience, and bang, we are ready to set up and start a new day today at the start of the broker day. Pretty excited about this. So again, this proves to you that you don't have to, again, your choice, but you don't have to close out a negative basket. You can play your cards right and cross your fingers and be a trader and trade yourself back to health. All right, let me show you the next one. All right, this one I am really excited about. This was the 4-hour heat map, and remember, we were down 465 pips. Again, like the previous one I just showed you, the graph ran off the page. I forgot to reset the graph up here last night. So, but this did get into profit. It took 2 baskets now, closed 2 baskets for 162 pips. So again, another successful rescue. I hope I got the charts open here. I had to open up charts, a couple of them, just to look at them. These are ones that I think I had hedged. Let's close these. Close charts, just to save some CPU on this massive computer I got. Got so much stuff open, it's crazy. So yeah, there you go. We'll reset and start a new day today with the start of the broker day. But I'm really excited about this, very pleased with this. This account is up, we started out 3,000. It's up 1,100, so over 50% since the 27th of April. Not bad. All right, next. Well, here is the London, and this will be the final one to show this morning. Again, Old Faithful here. It's taking 2 trades. It's one trade's closed. Working on the second one, and we're up $4.98. What is the roughly? Well, what is that? I'm trying to do the calculation here. Well, about 23 pips it's up right now. So got a little ways to go, but yep, London's still ticking. Old Faithful, and I'm sure this will close again sometime late morning, early afternoon. So that completes the show and tell for today. And we'll invite you to check out the videos and continue to follow what we're doing here at Aitg. And hopefully, again, these are all for entertainment and educational purposes. We're doing nothing more than showing you what we do, how we operate and use the Aitg dashboard. And we put this out for public consumption, and you can do with it as you want. So we're not telling you when to trade, but we're just showing you how we're doing it. So if you want to be a copycat, that's great. That's all on you. All right, you guys, traders, you guys have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.